So far, so good, right?
But how did you know the 96 degrees was on that side of the lake? How do you know?
Doesn't matter. Right? You can put that 96 in that. Where it matters is this next part. You have to put this on the same one. Okay? All right. From A, the angle between the sight lines to the end of the lake is 53 degrees. So now, his sight lines from here to here are 53 degrees, right? And the angle between the sight lines to B and the same end of the lake is 10 degrees. Okay? So, where does that 10 degrees go?
Left side.
The left side? Over here?
How do you know that?
That's what you have written? How? Why? Explain. Go ahead. Say again. Yeah. Okay? That's right. So that makes this 43 degrees here. All right, so now, realistically, if I draw this across, because that's what I want to find, right? I have 3 triangles. So let's look at our end goal triangle. Now I can choose which one I want to use, but for right now I'm going to do it this way. So my end goal triangle, I want this right here. I need the length of CD, right? So now I either have to go up to A or down to B. Doesn't matter. So we can choose. I'll go up to A in this case. So here's my A. So what's the angle between C, A, and D? 53 degrees. You know that one. But that's all I know in that triangle so far. So what do I have to find in order to find out what the length of CD is? What do I have to find here?
The side.
Sides. Okay? So I'm looking for CD, so because I can't get the angles. Because I don't have a triangle with it. I need to find the length of AC and the length of AD. So I'm going to use my other triangles to help. My other triangles being this guy, right here. So, draw it out. C, A, D. I know this is 220, right? What else do I know? D is 19. And A is what? 10. Okay, so I got that.
Excuse me for the interruption. Tegan Paul to the office, please. Tegan Paul.
So now, I also need to find AD. So I'm going to use that triangle. Oh, I labeled this guy wrong. Sorry. That should have been a B. So I have that. Still 220 here, right? What's that angle? 43. What's this angle? 96 degrees. So far, so good. So I'm going to use the triangle right here to get AC, which is that. And I'm going to use this triangle to get AD, which is that. And once I have it, what am I going to use to find CD? Law of cosines.
I did that exact same thing, but it didn't go to the answer book.
Where'd you get?
I got like, what was it, 270?
271.6.
sounds good.
Okay, well, let's check our work.
I did it on the opposite side.
19 and 10, 29, you did what?
I did it like on the bottom instead of top.
Alright, well, let's start with the top. 10 and 19 is 29, 29 from 180 is 151 degrees, right? 96 and 43 make,
41.
what do they make? 141? No, 149.
Look,
139.
39, that's good for
So that makes that 41. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So right here, to get AC, I'm gonna go sine. No. I want AC over the sine of 19 is equal to 220 over the sine of 151 here. And over here, I want AD over the sine of 96 is equal to 220 over the sine of 41. Okay, use your calculators now, please. Find out what AC is.
The AC, I got 147.738.
0.738.
Yeah. And the other ones I got,
Everybody get that?
yeah,
Okay. And AD?
I got 333.499.
333.499. Okay, anybody not get either one of those two answers that I need to help you with? Put up your hand if you didn't get those on your calculator. Everybody's okay? I don't want to move too quick here. I have that, right? So now, I'm looking for CD. Right.
271.56. 0. And round up.
You guys the same thing? Cool. Good stuff. Anybody else? Anybody get anything different than that? Okay.
The answer was
Yeah, so does that mean I got it?
Okay. Brennan doing it the other way, did you get 271?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm guessing that that's the correct answer then.
Okay.
If you did it both ways, then that's the correct answer. Now, I'm gonna try something because I think the book was wrong. And not in its answer itself, in the way they set up that diagram. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna explain that to you. What I think happened on this question and why the book is different, and I would think it'd give me a different answer. And I think somebody already picked up on it. when I look at this diagram right here, I feel like, personally, that's wrong. And I think if I change it and put it the right way, then the book's answer will give me the right answer. And that is this. It says in there, from A to B to the same side of the lake. Right? That's what it says. Is 10 degrees. From A to B to the same side of the lake. Well, when we did the 96 degrees, we went across and over to here. Right? This is the same side of the lake. I think this should have been 10 degrees.
In the back of the book, it shows.
It shows this one. This is what it shows in the back of the book. I know that. That's why I drew it this way. But I think that if this is 10 degrees right here, that's 10 degrees, and we do the same work that we just did, I think that you would get the same answer as the book. Okay? So when they said sight lines to the same side, this 96 went this way, this 10 should have went that way. I know the book drew it this way. But the book's answer does not jive with its diagram, does it? We just proved it. You understand what I'm saying?
Excuse me, Nick Rego, you have a message in the office, please. Nick Rego to the
Everybody's
office.
okay? Alright, so that's why the book is not right. It contradicts itself with its drawing and with this. And then it gets the answer with that being 10 and not the right drawing. Okay? So, all I'm saying is, what I need from you is, can you draw the initial one? Well, that's a bit of difficulty, I know that. I understand that. But can you break it into these three triangles and use your law of sines and your law of cosines? That's what I'm testing you on. I need you to be able to do that. Fair enough? Okay? Alright, are you okay now that I did this? Okay? Does anybody have any other questions that you would like to look at right now? I see it, please. Well, why don't I see if we drew it the same way? We draw it the same way, okay? And then we'll go from there. The farmer finishes repairing a fence post and then walks 200 yards through his cornfield. He turns and walks another 250 yards east until he can see the fence post directly southwest of him. Dan realizes he left some of his tools at the fence post and heads directly back to it. How far does he need to walk to the nearest meter? Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to skip the first step, 200-yard part, okay? Because that's kind of what we're looking for. So, he goes east. 250 yards, right? Doesn't matter which way I draw that, that's how it looks. And the fence post is southwest of him, correct? Somewhere down here, okay, in which this is 45 degrees right here. Agreed? Now, my problem is I can't tell if he goes this way, he goes straight across this way, or he goes this way. It's hard to tell, right? But I do know that the length of this side is 200. So far, so good. So what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to write that in as 200. Like that. Okay? And it asks, all it is how far does he need to walk to the nearest? You need to find this guy right here. Okay, so in order to find that, can I use my law of cosines? Doesn't look like it, does it? No. I've got got an angle on the side across, so I could find,
But if you find that angle, then you still have nothing to find the other
yeah, I do, because once I know this angle, which is the one you have to find, because the 250's over there, I subtract it from an 180 to get that angle. And then I can do the law of sizing out of that,
side.
right? Okay. You okay? Do you think you can try it?
How did you know that that one angle was the second?
Southwest,
But just so there's directly southwest?
because if it's, then it's going halfway between south and halfway between west. And the whole angle is 90 degrees, right? So that means that 45 on both sides of it.
Okay, so it's on.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, anybody else? Questions today?
Number 11 on multiple choice. This one, I feel like it might be a problem pretest.
Turn the end on the side length.
Pretty easy though.
Yeah.
You just use cosine, but
Okay, so we have x is equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 12.7 squared minus 2 times 2 times 12.7 times the cos of 72. Okay, and what do you get? You look like you were in a hurry to use it.
Well, because I have the same problem with this one. You get, the closest answer you get is to see the answer.
I get 12.23. That's the correct answer. I don't know what I didn't look at any of the other.
They were telling us like the answer's like 10.8.
No, it's definitely 12.23. So whatever that works out. Is there an answer close to 12.23 in there?
yeah, there's
12.2.
12.2.
Okay, and that would be the right answer then. Okay. All right, anybody else today? Galen, you said you had 5 of 7 problems to do.
Yeah, I'm clear about that. I'm clear now.
Okay, you good?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't have like direction, I think.
Does everybody know how to do those directions now? Okay. All right, so we test Monday. Your test is Monday. So if you're not here tomorrow, you just gotta be prepped for Monday. I'm not a big fan of Monday tests, but I'm moving it 2 extra days for you to prep. So you're welcome. All day Monday, cool. Okay, you don't have to write it Tuesday at lunch.
I might be gone Tuesday as well,
Then maybe you should write it tomorrow.
possibly. I probably will be here Tuesday, it's just I'm gonna get home really late.
Okay, well, you have to make these decisions after. If you can't write it Tuesday, then write it tomorrow. Okay, any other questions? Okay. You may entertain and work on that. Yeah, you can listen to music.